Hey guys, Benny from 782 Motors, Classics, Lowriders and Muscle Cars. Today we are super proud to be presenting this XW GT Replica. It's a rotisserie restoration, so you're going to need to make sure you jump online, check this car out in detail. There'll be 100 plus photos, videos, the whole bit inside, outside and underneath. Nut and bolt resto. So Starlight blue, white trim. It's an automatic, pop the hood. It's got a 408 stroker, dressed to look old school, real nice detail. Make sure you check that out. Check the roof, it's got the hole in the top, wind back that everybody's looking for. This car's the burger with the works, man, and it's a proper, legit, beautiful restoration. The guy built it to own it. Change of circumstance means it's been sent to us to be sold. You're gonna need to jump on the website, www.782motors.com.au and check this car out.